Today, we're diving into an ultimate winter showdown between two cold weather giants, the Studless Continental Viking Contact 7 and the Middle European WinterContact TS 860. In this video, we'll be focusing on the key differences so you can see exactly where each tire excels. Let's jump right in. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Studless Continental Viking Contact 7 set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with ice, a key area for studless tires. Here, the VikingContact 7 takes the lead with a lap time of 51.4 seconds in ice handling, which is more than 7 seconds faster than the WinterContact TS 860 lap time of 58.5 seconds. When it comes to braking, the VikingContact 7 stopped 3.5 meters shorter, and in terms of traction, it accelerated from 5 to 25 kilometers per hour in 5.2 seconds versus the WinterContact 7.6 seconds. These numbers showcase the VikingContact 7E's ice mastery, making it ideal for extreme winter conditions. Next up is snow, where both tires perform under milder winter conditions. The VikingContact 7 demonstrated its superiority in handling with a lap time of 85.6 seconds, which is 5 seconds quicker than the TS 860. However, in snow traction, the WinterContact TS 860 pulled ahead, accelerating from 5 to 40 kilometers per hour in 4.55 seconds, while the VikingContact took 4.05 seconds, but the VikingContact regained its lead in braking, stopping 2 meters shorter than the TS 860. Now, let's focus on wet performance. For wet braking, the WinterContact TS 860 stopped 1.1 meters shorter than the VikingContact 7 at 41.9 meters from 80-0 kilometer per hour. In handling, the TS 860 outperformed with a lap time of 40.5 seconds, a difference of almost 5 seconds. The most striking difference is in aquaplaning resistance, where the TS 860 maintained a slipping speed of 74.9 kilometers per hour versus the VikingContact's 57 kilometers per hour. The TS 860 clearly takes the edge in wet conditions. In dry conditions, the WinterContact TS 860 excelled with a lap time of 40.5 seconds, nearly 5 seconds faster than the VikingContact 7. It also stopped in 26.6 meters from 100 to 0 kilometer per hour, outperforming the VikingContact's 31 meters. For dry winter roads, the TS 860 is the clear winner. On rolling resistance, the difference between these tires is minor with a slight edge for TS 860. Finally, let's touch on noise and comfort. The VikingContact 7E's soft compound provided a subjective score of 5 out of 5, while the WinterContact TS 860 scored 2 out of 5. If you value a quiet, comfortable ride, the VikingContact 7 takes the clear win here. In summary, the Continental Viking Contact 7 excels in ice, snow, and noise, making it the perfect choice for Nordic winters. On the other hand, the Continental WinterContact TS 860 shines in wet and dry conditions, offering superior handling and braking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.